OpenAI just dropped something, and almost nobody is talking about the part that actually matters. They didn't release one model, they released three. And the flagship one is already putting up numbers that go head to head with Anthropic's best. But here's the twist: you can't even use it yet. And once you understand why, you're going to realize this isn't just another model update. This is a completely different way AI companies are about to operate. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business, and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So let's break down what actually happened. For years, AI companies work the same way. One company drops one model, you test it, you compare it, you move on to the next one. OpenAI just broke that pattern completely. GPT 5.6 isn't a single model, it's three of them, and each one is built for a different job. Sol is the heavy hitter, the one made for the hardest thinking tasks. Terror is the everyday workhorse, the one you'd use for daily execution. And Luna is the fast, lean engine built for high volume, repetitive work. Together, they're designed to cover pretty much everything a business needs, from deep strategy all the way down to answering the same question 1,000 times a day. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Sol scored 88.8% on Terminal Bench 2.1. That's a benchmark that tests AI on complex, multi step work, planning things out, editing, running tests, fixing its own mistakes, that kind of stuff. Claude's strongest model in that comparison came in at 88.0%. So we're talking about a tiny gap, less than 1 percentage point, but Sol is ahead. And Terror, the mid tier model, actually matched one of Anthropic's other models at 84.3% on that exact same benchmark. These are the numbers coming out of the official June 26, 2026 release. Not rumors, not hype. That's what's being reported. And honestly, when the gap is this small, the number itself almost doesn't matter as much as what it represents. It means the top labs are basically neck and neck on raw capability right now, and the real competition is shifting somewhere else entirely, which is exactly what we're about to get into. And this is where it actually hits home if you're using Claude Sonnet 4.6 day to day, which a lot of people are. Sonnet 4.6 is still genuinely solid for coding. It scores 79.6% on Sweetbench verified, and it holds up well on general knowledge tasks. But when it comes to agentic work, the stuff where the AI takes multiple steps on its own and actually gets something done without you guiding every single move, that's where the gap shows up. GPT 5.5 was already ahead of Sonnet 4.6 in that category, 81.5% versus 65.1%, and Sol is a full generation above even GPT 5.5. So if your business depends on AI doing multi-step work on its own, this is the part you need to pay attention to. Now, here's the catch, and it's a big one. You can't actually get your hands on Sol, Terror, or Luna right now. They're in limited preview, and only around 20 organizations have access at this point. And get this: OpenAI reportedly cleared the release with the US government before putting it out, because Sol's cybersecurity capabilities are apparently strong enough that there were real conversations in Washington about how and when this thing should be released. Think about that for a second. That's not a normal step for a model launch. Most models just go out the door once they're ready. This one apparently needed a sign off first. That tells you something about what this thing can actually do, and it's not the kind of detail that gets attached to a model that's just slightly better at writing emails. OpenAI says broader access is coming in the next few weeks, so this is one of those moments where you want to understand what's coming before it actually drops, not after, because by the time something like this is fully public, everyone's scrambling to catch up at the same time. The people who already understand the system underneath it are the ones who skip that scramble entirely. So, what does this actually mean for how you should be using AI in your business going forward? The old way of doing things was pick one AI tool and use it for everything. That's done. What's happening now is a three-layer system. Heavy thinking at the top for your big strategic decisions, solid daily execution in the middle, and fast, cheap automation at the bottom for the repetitive stuff. And the businesses that figure out how to send the right task to the right model, those are the ones that are going to move faster than everybody else watching this video. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Let me give you a real example of how this actually plays out. Say you're working on strategy and growth planning for your business, figuring out what to build next, what to cut, what's actually working. That's Sol territory, the heavy thinking tier. You'd give it something like, analyze my community of a few thousand members and tell me the top 3 growth opportunities for the next 90 days based on retention, new member acquisition, and how people are engaging with content, and it gives you back a full strategic audit with ranked priorities and a real action plan. That used to take hours of planning. Now, compare that to something like writing your weekly newsletter or member updates. That's not a Sol job, that's a terror job, the mid-tier model. You give it the topic and the tone you want, and it hands you a ready-to-send email in under a minute. And then, on the other end, you've got things like qualifying inbound leads or answering the same FAQ over and over. That's Luna's job, the fast, high-volume tier, handling hundreds of conversations at once so you're not doing that manually. And look, this is exactly the kind of system worth understanding now, even before Sol, Terror, and Luna are fully available. Because the businesses that prep their workflows ahead of time, the ones that already know which tasks need heavy thinking versus which ones just need fast execution, they're the ones who are going to move. The second this stuff goes live, the companies still waiting to figure that out after the fact are always going to be a step behind. Here's the bigger picture takeaway. This isn't really about one model beating another model anymore. Whether Sol edges out Claude by a fraction of a percent on some benchmark, that's honestly not the real story. The real story is that AI companies are moving away from the one-tool-fits-all approach and building entire systems with different tiers of intelligence built in on purpose. And once broader access opens up, the gap isn't going to be between people who have access and people who don't. It's going to be between people who already know how to use a system like this and people who are still trying to figure it out from scratch. So yeah, GPT 5.6 Sol is currently putting up some of the strongest agentic numbers we've seen, and it's genuinely close with what Anthropic's got right now. But the bigger shift is this move toward multi-tier AI systems instead of single models. And the sooner you understand how to actually use that kind of system in your own business, the sooner you stop getting outpaced by the people who already figured it out. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.